Hey guys, today we are in Audi A7 and I'm going to try to enable the Laptimer display over here, Laptimer option. It will help you time your laps as well as show some cool information about the vehicle. So over here I have OBDeleven, which is already connected to the car, and I'm entering list of all modules. I need to find module number 17, which is the instrument cluster or dashboard. And over here we are going to enter long coding and we are looking for option called Laptimer. It's set to not active, so let's switch it to active, slide to right, and I believe right now we should have new option available. So on the steering wheel I'm going to press this button, scroll down, and there's Laptimer, like so. Over here you can see boost, so the boost pressure will be shown over here. Over here we have the oil temperature display, and I believe if we even switch the gearbox to manual mode, we should have some kind of shift light over here. Not sure if it's available in this vehicle, but in some vehicles there's a shift light over here. Okay, so that's it. In the description below this video you will find more information about this procedure. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.